Welcome back to Savannah the Kitchen. Hi, I'm Savannah.
I'm Uncle Jamie. If this is your first time here, welcome. We hope you enjoy.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you never miss another one of our videos. Uncle, what's on the menu today?
We are making potato wedges in the air fryer.
So Uncle, how do we get started?
We get started by slicing our russet potatoes into wedges. That was a loud one.
Uncle, what's next?
Next, we like to give them a light coating of olive oil. And once they're coated, I like to add my spices. Some Creole seasoning I like to add. A little paprika. Some garlic salt. And a little black pepper. Give it a nice stir. Spread your spices out. There's no real measured amount.
Uncle, why did you put aluminum foil on the air fryer tray?
You don't have to, but I find that it really helps out with cleanup. The other thing that I like to do is I like to spray the bottom of the aluminum foil with some non-stick cooking oil. Great. Now we're ready to add the potatoes. Boy, they sure look good.
Yes, they do. Let's put them in the air fryer.
Good idea. As a precaution, I used an oven mitt. My air fryer is preheated, so I didn't want to burn myself. I'm going to set my timer for 20 minutes and check them. They're ready. There you have it. Crispy fried potato wedges straight out of the air fryer. Thanks for watching.
See you next week.